Hi everybody, welcome to week 2, module 2. Again, a reminder, I changed the due date for the first module to coincide with the due date for the second module since we only had a partial week last week. So in module number 2, we're going to focus on learning about yourself. So we'll spend 2 different modules, knowing yourself. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. And so really the focus of this course is leading inclusively. And to be able to lead others, you need to be aware of yourself, your strengths, your developmental needs, your biases. So we're going to spend a couple weeks helping you to learn more about yourself to increase your self-awareness. So by the end of this module, you'll be able to critically examine your background and some self-assessment results and their impact on how you see the world. So I have a variety of links to readings here to try to encourage you, convince you of the importance of being self-aware. There's a video. This is going to be an assignment for you. It's a little bit funny, but I'm going to ask you to do the same thing that was done with this video. They don't have to make videos of their responses. Another great resource on self-awareness is this Taisha Urick video and quiz, and she's also got a great book if you're interested in learning more about the importance of self-awareness. In your Harvard Business Review course pack, there is a social identity assessment that you will complete and submit and reflect on. And then the VIA is a free assessment that identifies and ranks your character strengths, so they're all good answers, all good results. So the first assignment, discussion board. So again, every week we have a discussion board, a written assignment, and a journal assignment. So you need to, before you post your initial response for this module, you need to get 3 or more people to answer the questions from the video and report back here. Who did you ask to complete? What did they say? And what did you learn? So share what you learned from that activity, and then be sure to respond back to at least 2 posts by Sunday. Try to get your first discussion board post on Wednesday. Might be a little bit of a challenge this week since you have to get feedback from some people, but post it as soon after as you can so others can respond. The written assignment this week is to reflect on your own level of self-awareness. So in your written responses, target a 750-word response. So that's just a good way to gauge how much is enough. So I read the journal and the written assignment. So the journal is asking you about social identity. So take a look at that profile and complete the profile for work and here, which is school. Then reflect on your results. So you don't actually have to provide your responses, but answer the questions and tell me about what you learned and what you reflected on for this week. So that's week 2, module 2. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll look forward to getting to know you through your introductions. Have a good week.